Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So we bought four kinds of mushroom: shiitake mushroom, maitake mushroom, black pearl mushroom, and pink oyster mushroom. So I put them all together with a lot of oil, and I suddenly find it's a good way to get mushroom infused oil. I think they are good. And this will be for the whole week until next week. Every day until next week's farmer's market again. I can buy some new mushroom, but otherwise the whole week I will put vegetable. Later you will see I have broccolini, and I will cook vegetable and a heap spoonful of mushroom, and that's it. No need to put oil, no need to put spice. There is a lot of spice in it. And this one I put a Cajun sauce, something like it's spicy and with all the flavor. It's a complete flavor. So it's quite salty. You cannot eat directly. I can make soup out of it, and I can make vegetable out of it. I will put into a container, and it can be last for one month or something if I seal it. And yeah, I will seal it. Anyway, that's about it. I want to share with you this idea of mushroom infused oil to get your whole week get by. What do you think? Thank you. Okay, hello dear friends. So I have taken out some mushroom, and this one is broccolini, cut it in half. That's pretty easy this way. So I got one friend make a comment. You cannot go wrong. It's hard to go wrong with vegetable and noodle. So I will keep on doing so. Oh, sorry, what is going on here? Okay, let me change the fire. That's good. What is going on? Okay, I will change a fire. I do not want it to be too noisy. And I want to put some Chinese vegetable because this is softer. see if I can change to a stronger fire. Okay, this fire is stronger, so we go with the stronger fire and put some noodles. And this time we use Chinese rice noodle. Rice noodle. Maybe we will put some oil. Doesn't hurt, right? Oh, I need to show you something. So I need to show you this. This is Flourless. I'm sorry, this is too noisy. This is a Flourless chocolate cake. Moelleux. It's a moist chocolate cake without flour. Use almond meal, almond flour, and it's very good. It's a specialty from my family. That's a little bit too much, so I can eat today and put in a food container. Next time I can keep on for the meal tomorrow. You never go wrong. Oh, it's hard to go wrong with vegetable and noodle. Okay, we have less strong fire now. I mean, this is a little bit not matching. Now we take a look at this cake. Look at it. It's so very good. More water. A couple of minutes later, the noodle will be good. And that is it. I got it a little bit burned. And the noodle will take out the water. So it will absorb the water. So it will be just perfect. So you can see you do not even need to put salt and pepper or anything because you already put enough spice, enough taste in the mushroom. And this way, it is really throw everything in the pot and let it cook and show off something. And that's it. I will put this in the refrigerator. See, it absorbs the water. We can put a little bit more water and let it absorb a little bit more. It takes time to cook rice and rice noodle. Another patch of it. Okay, I will prepare a pretty plate. Now we're going to plate it. Clean up the countertop. Okay, that's it. Bon appetit. Look at it. It's hard to go wrong with it, right? Very, very, very true. Bon appetit. Do, 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 do. Bye bye, friends.